guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nono Obi, and you're here with Uncut with Nono Obi, where we dissect controversial issues. Things are flying on the internet that are, causing so much argument in the comment sections. We'll bring it here and we'll discuss about it. But this one, yeah, it's kind of causing the same problem, but you guys should watch the video first.
Mama, no one inside, no one inside. I will give you. No one inside.
Alright, my message is right here.
No one inside.
Hi, I am Samuel Simon.
No one inside. I will give you, Mama. I will give you. Come on, your hand.
So you guys have watched the video right now. Apparently, it's something I just want to discuss generally on. I don't know why people feel the need of, when you're helping hands, you should come and be doing video for us. Some people are on the notion that it actually motivates other people to do so. Some people are on the other notion that you're trying to tell us that you have money, you're feeling big. Some people are on the other notion that you're using it for jazz. You must have been doing what Babalawo says you should do. Seriously, if you know your Bible well, you see where they wrote that he who does in secret, God will reward you hugely in secret. You don't need to. For me, this video is very disgusting. You don't need to be videoing yourself where you're bringing a bunch of money and giving to people. We don't need to see it. Because when you give and people are videoing you, you've taken all the praises and all your blessings, you've taken it. When you give in the secret, and the good Lord who sees in the secret will reward you in the open. So what does it mean? When you're doing good in the secret, the reward God will give in the open is that success, financial upliftment. People will see that you're growing more and more and more, and they don't know what you're doing. They don't know how you're getting those money. That is how God will reward you in the open. But you who is doing in the open, who will reward you? The people who are hailing you and saying thank you will reward you. So for me, basically, I don't like people that act this way. I see so many videos of that, and what I just call them is hypocritic video. You want to show me that you're helping somebody. You want to show me that you're giving beggar food. You want to show me that you're giving the needy money. I don't need it. We don't need it. It's either you're wanting to use it to grow your foundation. Maybe you're about to open a foundation, FCCC foundation, where you full of embezzling money, or you're doing it because one year told you to do it like that. Because it's not the way of the Lord. It's not the ways of the Lord. Okay? Even when it comes to this comment sections, you see what is going on there. Someone said she made them look like animals for money. Yeah. When they were chasing her in the car, or from the outside the car, they could have, they could have fallen. Another car could have hit them. The bike could have climbed one of them. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. It screams I'm above you. Mistreatment of poor people is the worst sin. God help you lead. Did I read this comment before telling you guys? Just see how those guys were running and following him. It's mistreatment of the poor. You're telling them that they are poor, that they are hungry. You're not helping them. You're insulting them. You're telling them that they are poor, that they are hungry, that they need food, and they're running and asking for money. It's mistreatment. You're maltreating the poor. So why do you think? Why won't I think you're doing this for the benefit of you? Of course you're doing it for the benefit of you. Because if you're doing it solely for the benefit of God and for the reward you have, you won't treat them that way. You would have at least climbed down from your car and give them money. This one, you're inside the car. Yeah? You're inside the car is moving. The car cannot even wait. The sky is moving. They're chasing you and you're giving money. That is why I'm even thinking it's Babalawo. Yes, I said it. One of Bale has told you to go and do it. You that is doing it, you don't have conscience because you're focused on what they told you to do. When you share it like that, your business will open. When you share it like that, people will start dashing you money. because this particular way of dashing money is not of the Lord. Okay, it's not of the Lord. Let me read one or two comments here again. Somebody said, why not stop the car? I just said it now. Somebody said, why not just stop the car? I said it now. Why not just stop the car? Do you want to run somebody over? Do you want to run one of them over? Do you want to cause more harm? Because you're sharing 100 mints, 100 naira note mints. That whole money will not pass. That bond is 10,000 naira. You want to cause them problem of 50,000 naira. Somebody said this is ego at its highest level. Why risk the life of these people and videoing them? Risking their lives in the name of helping them. Your kind gesture has been cancelled out from the way it was delivered. Your stupid driver couldn't even slow down. And what is, don't put your hand inside? How would they not put their hands in when your car keeps moving and they have to hold on to the car to keep up? It's not like they can stand and keep their hands in their pockets. Remember, they really do need that money. You don't have to stress them to get it. Life is stressing them enough. Next time, be more gentle with your method of generosity, love and light. Somebody else said, why people always want to record it when they do something kind for others? I will never understand wanting to make yourself look generous through the hardship of another person, fellow human being. I just said it now. I'll stop reading comments. I just talk. I just said it now. For me, this is not helping hands. For me, I feel there's a dark motive behind this. This is what they must have told her to do. This is how they must have told her to deliver this. This is for her own selfish benefit. Maybe for her business to grow, as they said, for whatever to happen, as they usually say. If it's of God, you can't be running the car like this, even though your driver will have conscience. Both of you accomplished. But people are hungry. I bless that they collect your money, they will eat it, and nothing will happen to them. And that your jazz you use because of it to want to put their life in trouble, it will not come to them. It will return back to sender to you, and it will not prosper you, because it's evil money, because you're doing it in an evil way. You're stressing them enough. They're stressed enough. Hardship has stressed them. You want them to be stressed to take this money again. It's not generous. It's supposed to sound like the name, generosity. Calm and peaceful. So guys, what do you think about in the comment section for those that do their charity this way? In Igbo they say Okammanezi, meaning you're good outside, but inside you're zero. You want praises outside. You want people to praise you, give you different names, but inside you're opposite. What do you think about generosity in open spaces like this, where it is not called for? I'm not talking about in the churches or few places that you don't have the power to avoid people from seeing. I'm talking about instances like this. What do you think about it? Do you think it's good, or do you think it's bad? Please put that in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.